Hi, everybody. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. I'm going to try something. I just posted a longer, it was 16-minute forecast talking about this low snow level pattern, but kind of lack of moisture overall in many areas, not all. So, what I'm going to do now is put this down much quicker, more nuts and bolts. We'll call it a Portland Saturday snow quickcast. And here we go. Beautiful picture from 1,500 feet up in the Cascades, Mount Hood, Oregon Resort. So, that shows we obviously have snow at 1,500 feet this morning. The headline is this cold pattern with valley snow showers potentially beginning overnight tonight into Sunday morning. That's when overnight temperatures will start to get down to freezing at the lowest locations each night, opening the door for not entirely, but mostly overnight AM snow shower activity that may or may not stick in the coming days. So here is the update on the valley. I'm going fast, right? Here's the update on the snow levels. Today it's near 1,000 to 1,200 feet. So for the most part, this is a scattered rain shower day unless you're up in the mountains, right? But then starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, each night we get down to around freezing. So we'll have any scattered shower activity at night and morning will be snow showers that could stick. And if you get hit with a little clump of increased activity, maybe you get some light snow coverage on the ground. But during the day, daytime heating will get us all above freezing, certainly up to about the 500-foot level, which means you could have a snow shower rain shower mix during the day, but nothing would stick unless you're up near to above 500 feet. That's the forecast all the way through Wednesday. What I've done here is grab a moisture panel from the European model Sunday morning at 8 a.m., Monday morning at 8 a.m., and Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. A couple things I want you to know. Let's start at the bottom of the screen. This is a separate moisture fetch that's coming in. See the green? These are the moisture fetches where that you have little kind of thicker areas of moisture flowing in. So this is across mostly Northern California, Southern Oregon, up into Eastern Oregon. Same thing on Monday morning. Tuesday morning, that moisture fetch a little bit more into Northern California and then kind of pushing southeast out of Oregon. What doesn't change Sunday, Monday, Tuesday mornings is this cold upper level low, which is why we have the low snow levels sitting up to our northwest. There's no moisture feeding into this low, but this low will produce scattered shower activity as it moves in. Again, maybe there's a kind of a clump, if you will, or a little surge of moisture at time that could produce some scattered light accumulations of snow, again, mainly overnight into the morning hours through the coming days. The big takeaway here is it looks like a scattered shower pattern. It's tough to have much in terms of really bad winter weather when you're in a scattered shower pattern. Okay. Momentous Wealth Podcast is my sponsor. Listen on Apple Podcasts, listen on Spotify for investment topics meant to educate you for you to choose from. Okay, let's just check and see what the conditions are. 18 at Timberline Lodge this morning. The snow they picked up, let me go back to the numbers. They picked up 10 inches last night, 11 at Meadows, and 3 inches of new snow at Ski Bowl. It's cold up there. Look at Government Camp's ODOT camera, 26 degrees. It's cold enough the ODOT will not be able to get the snow scraped off of the highways in the coming days. So they'll be out plowing, but you're going to be driving into snow-covered roadways up into the Cascades. Snow level today, I mentioned 1,000 to 1,500 feet. This is a snow level going into really Sunday morning. It's near sea level to 500 feet during the day. And this is a scattered snow shower forecast. 2 to 4 Sunday, 1 to 3 Mondays, little as an inch on Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, there's just not a whole lot of activity. Here are the passes. Santiam also, Willamette also snow covered. Cabbage Hill, out of the Blues in pretty good shape. And the Siskiyou Summit, 35 degrees and wet right now. But if you're traveling into California, that's where there's going to be heavier moisture. So keep an eye on that pass before you go. Here's the coast, 40-degree temperatures this morning. Beautiful camera from the Inn at Ottercrest looking to the south down in Lincoln County. There's Depot Bay this morning. And here is the Sunset Highway. This is on the east slope of the Coast Range at 1,400 feet, driving out of Portland toward the coast. So again, this shows you get up near 1,000 feet to above and you've got snow. There's actually a winter warning, storm warning for both the Coast Range and the Cascades, storm warning Coast Range and Cascades all the way through overnight tonight, ending early Sunday morning. So traveling, be prepared for snowy conditions. Here's your future radar product. This is the American GFS model. This is this afternoon. Watch this moisture fetch where it's more solid precip. Northern California near the Oregon border to our south. Here's the scattered shower pattern from that cold low coming into us. And you don't see a lot of change in this into Sunday morning. Here's Sunday morning. Could be significant snow being laid down parts of southern Oregon and southeastern Oregon. But here's the scattered shower pattern that will be nothing but snowflakes in the morning. If you have a passing shower early in the morning, Sunday, when you wake up, it will be snow with temperatures near freezing. Does this pattern change much into Monday? Not really. Very little moisture up in Northwest Oregon and Washington, period, on Monday. There's that moisture fetched to our south. And then that continues into Wednesday. Here's Tuesday. Here's Tuesday afternoon. Very limited moisture, if any, across much of Oregon and Washington, minus this moisture surge in Northern California and parts of Southern Oregon. What about snow? Here we go. This is total snowfall today into early Sunday morning. You're lighting up 8 inches. Excuse me, you're lighting up anywhere from 4 inches to 8 inches to 10, depending on elevation, up and down the Cascades. Here's that widespread snow in Southern Oregon where that moisture surge is, not along the coast. The coast will be above freezing, 40 degrees during the day. And there's a little bullseye, some snow in the North Oregon Coast Range. So I just want to play this out. Let's play it through Sunday and let's play it into Monday. This is accumulation. So here's Monday. Widespread snow, parts of Southern Oregon. That's a concern. Snow in the Cascades, continuing. Slow travel conditions. Little snow over the Coast Range. But really, up and down the I-5 corridor, not much going on, right? Now, I will tell you that as we go into, see, Tuesday, this gives some snow maybe in parts of Western Washington. Remember, the snow level gets lower and lower as you go up to the north. So Seattle's 36 degrees right now. They have a colder temperature forecast for this upcoming week in Seattle than Portland does. That's not unusual, but it's increasingly important when you're dealing with snow. So look at the forecast. Lows in the 20s up in Seattle starting Sunday morning. Daytime highs generally holding in the 30s. Snow showers and a better chance of low-level snow accumulation in Seattle than what we will see here in Portland. So let me get out of that and let's go down to Medford, for example. Here's cold nights, but daytime highs around 40 degrees. Okay. Again, watching for some widespread snow in parts of Southern Oregon. Over in Bend, real quick, overnight lows in the teens, daytime highs in the 30s, very limited precip in Southern Oregon in general. And here's Salem. Overnight lows, upper 20s to around 30. Daytime highs, though, warming to 40 or better each day, which is kind of what we've been talking about. And here's my Portland 7-day, 44 this afternoon. Temperatures near freezing Sunday morning all the way into Thursday and Friday, really. Scattered showers, sun breaks, the pattern that we talked about. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll talk to you soon.